What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. And guess what? I got my hands in this Husqvarna Battery Belt FLEXI system. So as usual, when I get something new, I got to share with you guys, right? So here it is, brand spanking new. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is the belt itself. Pretty hardcore, robust material. This bag right here is, you put the your water container. This is where you put your battery, so you can plug into your battery system. And this is to carry your additional battery with you. So yeah, let's put this together, see what it looks like. Alright, so let me come over here. I got my son recording this for me, so I put this all together real quick, and all I did was put the little holder for the battery on, because it made no sense to put the other stuff on, right? So we're gonna just plug it in here and see the connector right here. Just plug it in, bam, and here we have power. So yeah, so basically what this belt does, guys, is basically it takes away the weight of the battery, and it puts it on your waist. Now, one thing that I forgot to do on this video, and just so you know, you see that Velcro right there coming out from the trimmer on the cord? You can take that Velcro and attach it to the handle, the end of the handle. This way the cord won't be in your way. So that's something that I found out through Instagram. Okay, so yeah, basically this belt is made for if you have a lot of trimming and you have to basically be away from your truck, or so you can put a spare water bottle, or the oil for your hedge trimmer, or take anything else with you. And the other hook is to carry a spare battery. Right now I have a BLI 200 battery, which is the smaller battery. And you may say to yourself, man, this thing doesn't it isn't worth it, But guys, let me tell you, when you're out there trimming the whole day, and especially when you're taking your sweet time trimming these Yupons, these are dwarf Yupon hollies that that grow into one big shrub. I think these are like 5 of them in a row. But yeah, every pound makes a difference. So just so you know, the trimmer itself, which is the Husqvarna 520IH60, it weighs 8.38 pounds. Okay, and it depends on what battery you're using. If you're using a BLI 200, which weighs 4 pounds, so that's an additional 4 pounds on that 8 pounds. Or if you're using a BLI 300, which is 5 pounds, it makes a difference. It makes a little bit of a difference. So taking that weight off the trimmer gives you that flexibility where you can just trim. Now it is winter, guys, and I trim my hollies every month. Okay, because again, I lead by example. I love my yard to be dressed right dressed. I like my yard to be squared away. I like my corners to be sharp, crispy. So I trim my property, my shrubs, every month. I'm telling you, I'm real anal, and excuse my language there, when it comes to my shrubs. I like them to be sharp. So the only reason I'm using these right here, because again, is my first time using the FLEXI system, and I was so excited once I got it. I wanted to take it out. So I told my son, hey, listen, just come film Dad, just come film me out here using the system. so I can put it out to you guys, man. Because once I get excited about something, I just want to get it done. You know what I mean? Make you guys see it. So like I said before, this is just one. And you know, at first I was like, man, this cord is kind of big and it's gonna be all up in my way. Believe it or not, guys, no, it wasn't in my way. I was aware that the cord is there, but it really didn't impede anything that I was actually doing. And I found it extremely comfortable. Especially the weight, man. Let me tell you, right now, this is 8 pounds, guys. You know, you're trimming with 8 pounds, you know, and when it comes to a gas trimmer, man, you're talking about, you know, 12, 13 pounds, right? So, you know, little handhelds, you know, probably, you know, a little bit less, but still, you know, 8 pounds. This is what I'm talking about, guys, you know. But yeah, just wanted to show you real quick. That's my yard right here, guys. That's the way it looks in the winter. I have Bermuda grass, so it is dormant. And yeah, you see my yard, guys? I'm telling you, man, I keep myself dressed. But it's not about my yard. It's about the Husqvarna FLEXI, the belt, man. And basically what the belt does, man, it reduces the fatigue on long run jobs. You know, so I definitely am going to be using this, guys. So my first impression is man, it's all right. I like it. I definitely like it. And this belt, the FLEXI system, work with any battery powered Husqvarna equipment. You know what I mean? You can attach a blower to it, a handheld blower, and you know, go out there and do your thing, or you know, a trimmer, or even, you know, the larger any, again, like I said before, any battery powered equipment, guys. So let me know in the comments below, man. Let me know what you guys think about the belt. And again, it's for long jobs, and again, it's all about the weight. I love having the weight on my waist and not having it on the system itself, right? It gives you longer run time. Look at my son's shadow. Oh. All right, guys, let me know what you think about the FLEXI system. Again, you're going to be seeing a lot more of this because I like it. I definitely like it. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Be safe out there. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.
Okay. That's cool. Thank you.